Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. Today is the big day. We have the FOMC minutes of meeting, we have the FOMC federal funds rate, and the press conference coming out today, which could shock the market and send Bitcoin down to at least 25k. Let's look at the chart. So Bitcoin has been trading in this market making structure, double top formation, first leg down, first retrace. We're currently in a second possibly wave down. We are currently stalling in this area around 27k before the FOMC meeting, but the next target is to the downside and is currently down to possibly 22.5k. We could go even lower. We have a volume candle down at 20.5k as well, but I expect a retrace within this volume candle, which hasn't been recovered since March this year. So this is what I see in the chart. At least we could go all the way up to 28.7k, which then is the finish of the first retrace in my opinion. We have to invalidate this high at 28.1k. If we do that, break above it, we're still in the first retrace to the upside and recovery of this volume candle right here, which was a big one. That's what I see from this information that we have in the chart. As I said, news events for this evening is that we have the federal funds rate coming out 8 p.m. Central European time, and 8:30 is the press conference. That is where the markets are shook, or basically they move up and down very volatilely, and we see some big moves as Jerome Powell speaks. If he says something bearish, the market reacts, and vice versa. And what to expect is that we could expect or the market expects a 5.5% federal funds rate, which means a pause. And anything other than that is gonna shock the market to the upside or to the downside. Looking at the liquidation map, we can see a lot of long liquidations around 26k. People have been going long thinking that Jerome Powell is going to say something bullish and the price is going to go to the upside. But when there is liquidation points, the market maker usually grabs them. We have them all the way down to 18k compared to what's to the upside. Yeah, the next big cluster is at 40k, and there is a long way to go there. Money is closer to the downside for the market maker. So make of this what you want. Not financial advice. Let's look at Chainlink. So as I told you in my last day trading update, we had this volume candle right here, which was unrecovered from the market maker. I said to you, this could be the target to aim for, looking at Chainlink longs, and we exactly went there, recovered all of the volume candle, and we're currently stalling before the FOMC meeting. So in my opinion, we could see another sharp move to the downside after the meeting. So in a couple of days we could see a recovery of $5.6, where the next volume candle is residing, and from there we could create a double bottom formation and move out of there to the upside again up to $8.5. As you know, we've been in this zone from $6 up to $8.5 for over a year. As you can see in the chart, if I zoom out a bit and go to the left, you can see for over a year we've been in the zone from $6 to $8.5. So around $6 is where you should go long. Not financial advice, this is just for education and entertainment purposes only. But around $6 is where you could go long and take profits at around 8.5, and that is where you go short, right down to $6. That's something I've been looking at least. You do whatever you want. This was Big Boss Brother number 2. Have a good one. Big Boss out.